Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. In today's video I've got another simple website that you can use to start earning some extra money working from home. Now, like most things we share on this channel, it's free. You don't need any special skills or any experience to get started with this. It's really simple to do, and you can go ahead and you can earn up to $2,000 a month, and I'll show you exactly how you can do this. I'll show you the website, I'll show you what you need to do, and we'll go through this step by step. It really is simple to do. Now, before we jump into today's video, if this is the first time you're on the channel, hello and welcome. My name is Mark, and on the screen right now you're looking at one of my blogs. This one here is called Not Taught at School. Now, I have many, but this one we're looking at here, this is one where I go ahead and I share about making money online and working from home, and I also share blogging tips and some other cool stuff on here. So if you're interested in earning money online and working from home, subscribe to the channel, hit notifications, and then you'll always be notified when I upload a video. Now, I try and do a minimum of 3 a week, so go ahead and then, like I say, you'll always be notified whenever we upload a video. So let's jump into today's video and go through what you can expect. So here's a little presentation I've got done for you already. So with this website you can go ahead and expect to earn up to $2,000 every single month. Now, what happens is you're going to be looking at projects. Now, what happens with the projects is these projects can last anywhere from 30 minutes to 3 hours, and the average pay is anywhere between $15 and $25. Now, it's like most things, the more challenging the project is, you're going to earn more money. And when you're first starting out, obviously you're going to be starting on $15, and then as you gain more experience and you take more and you do more activity in the projects, your rate of pay will go up. Now, in terms of the projects and what these are, so this is a website where big companies go ahead and they're looking for information and they have projects. So it could be somebody working at a marketing company and they need some research doing on a certain topic or a certain competitor. It could be anything. So basically what happens is you're working as a research analyst and you're going ahead and you're analysing different things for different companies, and then you go and get paid every 2 weeks, and it pays out on a Friday. So every second Friday you go ahead and you get paid. So let me jump into the website and I'll show you this company. It's been around for a few years now. They've worked with some huge brands, and I'll go ahead and I'll show you this information now. So let's have a look at the website. Not this one, this one here. So this here is the website. It's called askwonder.com. So like I said, what happens here is people come here where they're looking for people to go ahead and do research on their behalf for them. So they will come over here, they will put all of their information, what they're looking to get, and then they put that into the Ask Wonder community, and then you simply go ahead and you apply to work on these different jobs or tasks or these different research projects. So if you just scroll down here, so this is the homepage. So this is aimed at the big companies who are looking for people to go ahead and look and do their research for them and do their analysis for them. So all of this, don't worry too much about this because this isn't what we're interested in. If we scroll down here, this is just some of the companies they've worked with in the past. So you can see these are really big companies. You've got P&G, you've got Shell, you've got HP, you've got Autodesk. So again, big companies. And then it's just the usual stuff on here, what you'd expect on any website here. You've got different testimonials. So you can see here someone saying, Wonder saved me thousands of dollars. You know, I always need more time, and now I have a whole research department at my fingertips whenever I need them. And you can click and go through these. There's lots and lots on here, but basically it's big companies here. They're coming in here, they don't have time to do their own research, so they will pay us to go ahead and do the research for them, and then we get paid for doing so. And you can scroll down here and I'll just show you, we won't go through all this, you can go through this. I'll drop a link to the website, you can go through this at your own time if you want. But if you want to scroll down to the bottom here just to show you this, you can go ahead and connect with them via email, and then they're also on Twitter and LinkedIn. So you can go ahead and have a look at this. So how do you apply to become an analyst or a researcher? So it's really simple. So we'll go to askwonder.com, top right hand side here, become an analyst. Click on there and it will take you through to here. Join our community today, and then it's just a basic form. So you've got name, email, password, and then which city do you live in, and then you just agree to the terms. And then what will happen is you will go through and you will do, it's a simple multiple choice question and answer, and it works out to be about 15 minutes in total. And then once you've done that, you'll get an email back in a couple of days confirming if you've been accepted onto the program or not. And then once you've done that, you'll get access to the dashboard, and then you can go in and you can apply for different jobs and different research categories which you're interested in, and it shows you here how it works. So visit the research dashboard when you're ready to start working. So step 1 is fill in your details, take the first test. Once that's been done, you got your email confirming you're accepted into the program. This would be the process of how you would find your work. So you would visit the research dashboard when you're ready to start working. We'll assign you a request to work on, and then you go ahead and you find answers and sources to back up your findings, and then you submit your work and and celebrate. And that is basically it. And again, they've got other things down here about simple ways to get started, but that in a nutshell is what you will be doing. You will be going ahead and you'll be doing research for big companies who are looking for information, whether it's online trends, whether it's just going and looking for different sources and linking back to them. It's basically, like I say, it's just being a researcher for these different companies on here. Now, the rate of pay is pretty good, and I'll drop links to everything that I've gone ahead and mentioned in this video for you, but that is pretty much it. So it's called askwonder.com. I'll drop a link to the main web page here for you, and then I'll also drop a link to this here as well, the sign up page. But like I say, it's really simple. Top right hand corner, click on here, you'll go through to this page here, fill in your information, and then you're pretty much good to go. And it really is a simple process. I've gone ahead, I've done some Googling, I've looked at some different reviews on here. It's like most things we share on the channel. It's free, it's simple, it's relatively easy. If you can go on Google and do some researching around and then just put all that into a Word document and provide that as your feedback, then you absolutely can go ahead and start earning some extra money with this. And because you're working from home, you can go ahead and do it in your own time. You can do it at a time that best suits you and work it around your family. Or even if you want to just go ahead and make some extra money on an evening after work, you can go ahead and do this. So that is pretty much today's video. If you have any questions whatsoever, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow.